Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Are you looking for a wonderful, spacious 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with 2 kitchens, 2 carport, front and back porch? Well, if your answer is yes, we have found it for you. This beautiful, ready to move in house is located in Chateau, Clarendon and is on 7,870 square feet of land. This property has high tray ceilings which allows air to flow throughout the house. There is a garden area, ceramic tile, ceiling fans, house is grilled, fully fenced, family oriented, location is quiet and the lot is level. This property can be used for investment or income earning as it has been designed to be partitioned for 2 family dwellings. Don't miss this opportunity of owning this beautiful home. This house is priced at an attractive Jamaican 30 million or US $190,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
For watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.